Hi, good morning. I'm Suzanne from Rogers Gardens, and I'm here to talk to you about cool season vegetables that you can grow here in Southern California. We have this beautiful garden tower here, which is really going to help me explain a lot of the things that we can use in our garden. And so, as you can see, we have a lot of spinach, we have lettuce, and this beautiful thing, we put some herbs in here as well, but we've got some turnips, we've got some beets, we've got some celery, different kinds of celery, which is kind of cool. We've got some little pak choi. It's actually called toi choy, which I think is gorgeous, and it grows really nicely in this container here. It just looks so pretty. This container also helps keep things a little bit higher for the bunnies. If you have a bunny problem, this thing is perfect. So anyway, these are just great things for cool weather. Sometimes at this time of year, it's really difficult to find something that will grow in the cool weather without too much heat, and lettuce, spinach, and things like that are super good. So another great thing to grow right now, especially if you're growing a lot of lettuce and spinaches, are radishes. Some people are very hot and cold about this subject, but I love radishes, and there are mild radishes up to super spicy ones. But they grow really quickly, so it's a good way to add some color into your salads, into your life, and the variety of radishes is unbelievable. We also have kale. Kale is great, kale is popular, and kale is good for you. Look at all the different varieties of kale we have here. Broccoli is also a cool season vegetable. Most of the cruciferous vegetables are cool season. They're going to grow nice and slow and not flower before you can actually eat it. We've got different kinds of broccoli, we've got Brussels sprouts, and we've got some cauliflower. If you want to have these vegetables, the cruciferous ones, grow them now, because once it gets too warm, they'll bolt and flower too quickly. That's pretty much it over here. We've got chard, which is here at the coast. You can grow chard almost year round. It's such a great vegetable for mixing with other things, putting in stir fries. We've got some spring onions. And then of course, don't forget your herbs right now. If you're feeling, kind of like, I'm not really quite sure what to plant right now, plant some nice hardy herbs like rosemary, oregano, sage. Those are going to grow year round, and you can get them started right now. Put them on the edge of your vegetable garden and they'll be perfect. Later on, once it gets a little warmer, we'll have basil and cilantro that'll do pretty well. So that's about it for growing vegetables in January.